Sounds like more Guardians leaving.
Yes. A great number are sounding their departure. I do not know how long it will take her to dispatch them all. Another door. Please, allow me.
Lead the way, Kubler. How do we get it down?
The cryptum is held in place by gravitational cores, like the one directly ahead.
Phantom incoming!
Once those are disabled, we can attempt retrieval of your friends.
You heard her. Weapons free. Eliminate the core.
Mantis here. Anyone interested? Taking fire.
I see what Cortana means about your penchant for violence as a first solution. Still, the first core is deactivated. The others are nearby and easy to locate.
Osiris, find and eliminate the other gravitational cores.
Hopped off the mongoose. Going on foot.
Visual on the gravitational core. Target fire on that grav core. Take it out.
Hunters! We're hit! Only so much I can do from here. I'm friendly! Careful! Mongoose is pretty fragile
Need
as
help.
it is! That's it, Locke.
Thanks, Spartan.
I'm wasted. Friendly here, Spartan! Friendly here! Watch it! Gravitational core offline.
2 cores destroyed. Only 3 more and the cryptum should descend.
Another grav core on my position. Shut it down.
Friendly here! Watch it! They won't miss one ghost.
Target that ghost.
If you eliminate the other gravitational cores, the cryptum should become accessible.
Grav core's offline.
You're performing incredibly well. Funny, I imagine Cortana would try to stop you by now.
Keep up the pressure, Spartans.
Spartans. Jameson Locke, ex-Oni acquisition specialist. Fancy name for a hitman, Pat. But looking at your record, you enjoyed your work. Holly Tanaka. Oh, Holly. How did you pass your psych eval after surviving the glassing of the knob? Might have kept you away from sharp objects, never mind Mjolnir armor.
Stay focused, Osiris. Ignore her. Find the grab cores.
Edward Brock,